Iyak ang dating Chinese ambassador. Binugbog ng katotohanan na Secretary Manalo ang dating ambassador sa Pilipinas. Nagkasagutan nga ang China at Pilipinas. Sobrang init kasi ng usapin sa South China Sea, West Philippine Sea sa Munich Security Conference sa Germany. Pahiyang-pahiya ang China dito. Walang kakampi at halos buong mundo kinukundina ang agresibong aksyon ng Chinese Coast Guard. Usap-usapan rin ang dating engkwentro ng Philippine Coast Guard at CCG sa Ayungin Shoal, kung saan illegal ang pagharang ng China at walang habas na pinagwa-water cannon ng PCG. Bakit hindi nakapalag ang China? Binabaan ng resibo ng Secretary Manalo, nakasaad sa UNCLOS at Arbitral Award na pagmamay-aring tunay ng Pilipinas at West Philippine Sea at walang katiting na pagmamay-ari dyan ang China.
Why is there such a huge presence of Chinese Coast Guard vessels around Ayungin Shoal? That shoal is only 70 nautical miles from Philippine territory, yet it's hundreds of miles away from Hainan Island. Why are there so many Chinese Coast Guard ships there? Is it their territory? And countries, I think, who reinterpret that law or apply their own domestic laws to certain areas and try to enforce them, then I think we're in a situation which leads to further tensions.
Ipinipilit nitong Chinese ambassador ang Declaration of South China Sea na nakapirma daw ang Pilipinas. Bawal magtayo ng base militar at bawal magtayo ng anumang outpost. Bakit kayo meron military base dyan, China? Laking kalokohan ano? Ayaw magpatayo ng mga military base pero sila meron sa South China Sea.
Philippines to occupy Second Thomas, Renaijiao, and Sabina, which is the Xianbinjiao, because that is a violation of the DOC. Everybody signed to. That kind of naughtiness shouldn't be encouraged, agreed. It has nothing to do with law. The law of the sea is about the water.
Inalmahan din ng China ang patuloy na panghimasok sa gulo ng Amerika. Hindi raw to nakatutulong kundi nagpapalala ng tensyon na maaaring humantong sa mas malaking gulo.
China now is the shadow of US behind the claimants. That alerts the Chinese side. There's a great concern about losing these territories. But we, as one of the major countries in the region, we have to take responsibility about the regional stability. So we have to constrain ourselves.
Pilit na hindi tinatanggap ng China ang Arbitral Award. Peke daw kasi yan. Pero di ba kaso yan, natalo ang China. Dahil ni isa kasi walang kumampi sa claimant ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Pilipinas ang pinanigan ng buong mundo. Kaya legal yan at naayon sa batas. Barado ang China dito
That the Arbitral Award of 2016 is legally binding. It's part of international law. And our only hope is that one day China can abide by the arbitral ruling. It would certainly ease tensions.
Pumanig naman sa Pilipinas ang delegado ng US Senator. Hindi raw hahayaan ng US na ma-take over ng China ang West Philippine Sea. Talagang kung sasakupin niya ng PL Navy, dadaan to sa gera.
The U.S.-Philippines relationship remains strong, is rooted in a shared history and shared values, that American commitments can be counted on, and more than an occasional speech here or there, I think our actions are the way we will be judged in that regard.
Thank you.
Kumitig nga ang US makipagdigmaan sa China para sa West Philippine Sea. Pag nasakop kasi yan ng China, buong mundo ang babagsak at China ang mangingibabaw. Anong masasabi nyo sa pahayag ng Chinese ambassador? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salubin.